Hi, I'm Bianca, and this is the Villa Life.
Welcome to The Villa Life, your exclusive behind-the-scenes tour of the world's most exquisite vacation homes. On today's episode of The Villa Life, Bianca takes the tour of Villa San Luigi, a quintessential Tuscan residence overlooking the rolling hills. Designed by a renowned Sienese architect in the 15th century, Villa San Luigi is a luxurious country estate in Tuscany. Surrounded by a sprawling outdoor garden and views of the Tuscan landscape, this historical home will treat your senses year-round. Get ready for a local hidden hot spring, truffle hunting, and a scenic horseback adventure.
Hi, Affie.
Hi, Bianca.
How are you?
Very well indeed. Glad you can make it. Please come and let me show you around. So, Bianca, before we start,
Yes.
may I offer you a glass of Prosecco?
That sounds very nice. Thank you.
Fantastic.
Salute. So, Affie, I hear there's a lot of history behind Villa San Luigi.
Yes, it originates from the 16th century. It was designed by a gentleman called Peruzzi and commissioned by the Chigi family. Since then, Villa San Luigi has been extended and enhanced over the centuries. It combines modern comforts with traditional design. We have luxurious amenities, an infinity pool, outdoor kitchen and many fire pits. There's also a fully equipped gym and a helipad. It's the perfect place to enjoy the amazing views of the beautiful countryside. So Bianca, can you guess which is my favorite dish?
Pasta?
See, would you like to learn how to make fresh pasta?
I've always wanted to.
Wonderful.
A pillar of Italian culture, the art of making fresh pasta is something I had to experience.
Hi Bianca, I'm Giulio.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Today I learned to you how is made the pici, typical pasta from the Tuscan region. So for me the pici is really easy because you have to put flour, then you put a little part of salt, extra virgin olive oil, and 500 milliliters of water.
Giulio, how do you know when the dough is ready?
So the dough is ready when it's not too hard, not too soft, but it's a nice elastic consistency.
So I'm all done cutting. What's the next step?
So the next step is you take one piece of this, you go here with the palm of the hand, you roll, and with the other hand you have to pull.
And you twist it at the same time?
Yes, exactly, the same time. And then when you finish, you put in the semola.
The name pici comes from the word appicciare, the manual technique used to give this pasta its traditional shape. Chef Giulio prepared a simple red sauce made from olive oil, garlic, peppers, and tomato sauce to accompany the hearty pasta native to the Tuscan region. After this gourmet experience, I was off to my next one, hunting for truffles. Today, I'm going to experience the earthy magic of hunting for them myself at Loghi Farms with Valentino and his Italian hound, Tego.
Ciao Bianca,
Hi, Valentino.
welcome in the Loghi farm. Today we try find the black summer truffle, the scorzone.
Tuscan soils are rich in these prized earthy gems. The best way to uncover them is with the help of a trained hound. Tego accompanied us on our treasure hunt to find truffles of the highest quality.
The perfect truffle we need the strong skin and the perfect maturation inside for the spores. If it's perfect, it's possible eat.
Can we try it?
Yeah, we go.
Truffles are paired brilliantly with a white wine and are best savored as a fresh garnish over Italian dishes from risotto to pasta. Tasting the riches of our hunt was an experience like no other.
I've treated my taste buds and now I'm ready to treat my mind with a little relaxation.
These are the Cascate del Molino hot springs, natural rock pools tucked away in the Tuscan countryside. The Tuscan landscape is a delight for the senses, especially at sunset. To take it all in, I opted for a horseback ride with Maneggio di Pieve a Salti, a nearby stable who offered me a truly memorable experience. In the company of butterflies, my guide Claire and I enjoyed the soothing sight of the sun dipping into the horizon. That's all for this week. Thanks for following my Italian adventures.
Villa San Luigi is part of our curated portfolio of properties. At Luxury Retreats, we strive to offer the best vacation homes around the world to our guests. Each one of our 4,000-plus properties is vetted to make sure it delivers on every level. We inspect each home using a 240-point checklist. So no matter which home you choose, you can rest assured knowing that it's nothing short of spectacular. Follow Luxury Retreats on Facebook and Instagram for insider tips. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to never miss exclusive peeks at the best in luxury travel.